Hello viewers, welcome to another episode about informative videos about technology. Pakistan Air Force recently celebrated 55th anniversary of induction of Mirage aircraft. Mirage aircraft has a rich history in world and in Pakistan Air Force also. Mirage aircraft had first, and this was particularly Mirage-3 aircraft. Its first flight was in November 1956 and its production started in October 1960. It was also one of the few very success stories of French aviation. You can say the numbers of aircraft Mirage 3 and 5, which is a slightly different version, were sold in numbers I haven't seen in any other French system. There was at least 2 dozen countries using these kind of aircraft. It had a very decent uh, range for attack of about 1000 kilometers, and initially Israeli Air Force also used this aircraft. These aircraft were successfully used against advanced Soviet fighters in 1967 and 1973 Arab-Israeli wars. Later, Israel made also a local version of this aircraft and sold it to some countries also. So why this aircraft is still useful till this day? In my opinion, it has been extensively modified with advanced avionics from time to time. It can carry a decent payload to a range of about 1000 kilometers. That is sufficient for most of the countries in the world, and it requires its escorts also, but it's the case in most of the bombers that you require escorts with them. In PF case, it can now also uh, fire those bombs, what we call smart bombs, with an extended range that can be released quite far from the target, and they cruise their uh, uh, way to the target. Therefore, that even becomes more feasible that because they are not exposed to enemy air defenses, especially the short and medium range air defenses. The aircraft have also been modified for air-to-air refueling. One version of the aircraft carries the French exocet anti-ship missile, and another version of the same aircraft has camera windows and was used as a reconnaissance aircraft. So over the years, this aircraft has been used in many ways. So this aircraft remains useful. Uh, it has been liked by people who have flown it and have developed expertise in that. So let's see how much time it goes on still. That's all for today. I will be back with another informative video. Bye.